Ninth one, write a Python program to create a class representing a circle. Include methods to calculate its area and perimeter. Okay, if you practice earlier program, 8th program, so you easily can do this 9th one. So just area of a circle is nothing but pi r square, and perimeter of a circle is 2 pi r. Okay, you have to take the radius, and you have to perform this area and perimeter, okay, of the circles. Simple. Just take this one circle class and initialize a constructor and pass radius here, a parameter, and define to this instance methods area and perimeter. Self dot radius into pi area of a circle is nothing but a pi r square. Okay, pi 3.14 into r square. You can write it double square. Okay, double into here. If you want to power of 2 here, you can double this multiplication. Okay, and perimeter of a circle is nothing but 2 pi r. Just create an object and call this methods through object here. Okay, new circle dot area, new circle dot perimeter. Simple. Just execute it. 250.24.